Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 8. I am getting a little bit of a late start like I usually do, but I still want to continue on with Vlogmas. So I just wanted to show you, I've kept this area clean still. This lighting is horrible, but so is the lighting in the rest of my house. Anyway, and my son is here working on some kinetic sand. Today I haven't really done very much to vlog, so I'll be back. Hey guys, my daughter found the phone holder for the tripod, so I'm gonna do a little speed clean of my kitchen. Hopefully it goes well. Just take a quick look. Mostly I'm gonna do the dishes. So yucky yucky, and these are clean. Okay, here we go. There we go, all clean again and ready for the kids and everyone to fill it back up. And the dishwasher's going. Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom slash closet. I'm in my walk-in closet. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more to the vlog. And so I am doing a 60 squat challenge every day in December for cancer, and my grandma was 60 when she died of cancer, so that's why. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my 60 squats. Whew, that was a lot. I was laughing because my son is in the bath and he started doing squats with me, which is funny. All right, my son in the background still taking a bath. That's gonna be all for Vlogmas day 8. See you guys tomorrow.